On this video, we will learn how to create campaigns reusing previously created accounts. After opening up a new campaign, we must right-click on the gray area and select the Advanced mode. After the Advanced mode is activated, we get access to the Accounts section. Here, we click this button right over here so that the account area opens up, and then click Already Existing Accounts. From this category area, we tap here to choose our existing account. The process of reusing accounts is a very important process since it will provide a better positioning a lot quicker, because having more publications inside the 2.0 web accounts will help us to give it a greater power and get the most out of the link. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification button to learn about our upcoming videos.